Rupesh Duryodhan Rathor. Okay, so Rupesh, as this is our first meeting, first of all, I want to tell you that I am much glad to speak to you. As I received your comment, you are an army officer, right?
No, I am a Sepoy in Indian Army.
Okay,
No office.
okay, that's very great. So, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes. My name is Rupesh Duryodhan Rathod. I am belonging from Maharashtra. Currently, I am present in Arunachal Pradesh because of my duty.
Okay.
I have been since working in Indian Army from June 2015.
2015, you joined Indian Army. Okay.
Next month, I will complete my 6th year for my job.
That's great. That's so nice of you. So, so you have any other family member in the army, or it was your passion to join army?
No, madam. And anything else? No. I am only one person who have joined Indian Army.
Okay. Okay, that's so great. Okay, so actually, one thing I wanna told here that this video is being recorded. So if you, with your consent, can I post this video on YouTube?
Yes, why not? You can post this video on YouTube.
That's great.
But I am a beginner learner. During our conversation, some mistake happened in our conversation.
Rupesh, see, I am also like you. If you have watched my previous videos, you must have seen how many mistakes I am making. Till now, I am making mistakes. But it's okay. It's okay. If we will not make mistakes, then how will we learn?
Okay, madam.
Yes. So we just need to speak in English. Gradually, we will be at that level that we will be speaking right English, and that too at fluent level. So don't bother about mistakes.
I am hesitant very time. I never spoke about English anyone. How can speak English? And when during speaking English, I will some make mistake. That's why I'm not speaking anyone in English. This is my fear. I am afraid.
Very much true. Very much true. Actually, I am also having the same fear in my mind. But when we speak to the strangers, our fear goes on. So this is the best way to practice spoken English. You speak to the unknown person, and then gradually we will be very much fluent, and we will be able to speak to the known person.
Okay, madam.
Yes. So till now, how many people you have practiced with? That to strangers.
One before you talk, I spoke one person. His name is Pradeep. Pradeep Killi. I spoke his last day, yesterday, 15 minutes near about.
Okay. So that's great. Actually, this is the thing that you should do on daily basis. You should speak to different people, and gradually you will be very fluent. And don't bother about mistakes. Forget about the things. We are a known person. We don't know each other.
Definitely, madam.
Yes. So how's your job going on? Himachal Pradesh is in lockdown, I think.
No, Arunachal Pradesh.
Achha, you are in Arunachal. Okay, I heard Himachal. Okay, so Arunachal Pradesh is also under lockdown.
Yes, lockdown. But here is no more patient of COVID-19 because here is a population is very low, greater compared to Maharashtra. Whereas in the Maharashtra, more of the people positive of COVID-19. There is a very bad situation. No other family member can go outside the room. Even my village, where is my mother and my brother lives there. In my village now, recently 13 people positive. 13 people positive COVID-19. One of the one is dead.
Oh, that's so bad. Actually, COVID is hitting too badly.
Yeah, ma'am, very badly. I cannot go to home. I have to live here and no more about 5 or 6 months before COVID-19. I have to go to after 3 month home to meet my family. But since last year, I could go once time in my home
Okay.
to meet my mother.
See,
Very bad
it's all
difficult.
about everyone's safety. So
Uh,
it's better to stay at the places where we are.
yes. Madam, have you taken a vaccine?
Yes, yes, I am being vaccinated. And you?
Hello. Yes, ma'am. I'm also vaccinated.
That's great.
I took
That's great.
two
Yes,
doses.
yes.
My department provide me vaccine. I'm telling you one incident in happened in my life.
Please.
Can you? Okay. I went to home on leave.
Okay.
That time, after having completed dinner with my family, I went to walk with my friend surrounding in my village. Because of my habit here, also I am doing after having lunch. I walk to surrounding here. That time I met my other friend.
Okay.
Who asked me our job profession, what is your posting, where is your leaves, what is your salary. I told about my sub all. Then one friend asked me, do you get a incentive? Incentive.
Okay.
But I don't know. I don't know about incentive. What is incentive? I told him, yes, I can somewhere get incentive or not. But some of my friend laughed on me. I could not understand why they laugh. They laugh. Then I went my home. They came their home, and I checked what is meaning of incentive. I understood incentive means allowances.
Allowances,
But
right.
I don't. They laugh on me. But I don't know what is the incentive. At that time, I decided I have to work on English. I have to speak in fluent English. After this incident happened, I started reading English books, watching videos, some sort of movies, etc., which I I can get. Now I'm preparing watching video, and extra activity for improving my English.
That's great. So Rupesh,
You,
in that case, you should be thankful to your friend on
okay,
that
madam.
day
Yes.
who laugh at you, and then you realize that okay, this is the time that I should start something in English.
Yeah,
So
madam.
yes, so if
Because
anything happens, that doesn't mean that is bad for us. Sometimes that brings good opportunities for us. So that friend gave you a opportunity that okay, now this is the time you should start speaking English.
yeah, madam. Yeah. Most of
Yes.
the no one my friend have a government job. Only I have a government job. Because after my 10th and completed my ITI, I got selected in Indian Army as a technical assistant. That time my age on 20-year-olds.
Okay.
No, I
Okay.
no more take education from ahead ITA or 10 plus SSC.
Okay. So
That's
you did your ITI after passing your 10th class or after passing your 12th class?
after passing my 10th class, and then I did my ITA, and then I got a government job in Indian Army.
That's so great. That's so great.
I think when everyone has available internet, that every person can do whatever he wants. I think before
True.
very difficulty for villager student how to do any type of activity such as education or booking tickets. All I think is very difficult for all persons before coming internet or free of cost internet.
No, you
Can you
are
understand me, madam?
Yes, I am understanding. You are
Because
speaking very well. You are speaking very well. There is no issue. See,
because before
English.
I am never speaking English or not a practice before speaking with you.
No, it's all about practice. It's all about practice. You just need to speak to people, different people, and see, one day you will be very good in English. See, you have just started speaking, and still you are able to convey your message. So
Yeah.
English is just a language.
Okay.
Always understand this. English is just a language. By communication, we just need to convey the message which we want to convey to the other person. So if you are able to conveying the message, then understand that you are speaking good English. If I am getting you properly, then you are speaking good, and whatever you are saying, I am getting it properly. So don't bother.
Okay.
You are doing very good. You are speaking well. It's only about practice. You just keep on practicing. You just keep on speaking to different people, and you yourself see the result.
Can you ask me any question so that I will give you answer?
Yeah, sure. Okay. So first of all, can I ask you something related to army, or this topic we should keep aside?
No. You can ask me about my department, but I'm
Okay.
telling you my department is a
Technical
integral part of
department.
Indian Army. Integral part of Indian Army. It is called BRO, Border Road Organization, or General Reserve Engineering Force. It is making road or bridge for movement of Indian Army towards border side, China, Pakistan,
Okay.
whatever country attach our border area. It is my department's work, and
Okay.
there is I am a technical assistant.
Okay, and what you exactly do in that department? What is your job profile?
My job, I have to do a maintenance of vehicle and equipment machinery, such as excavator, JCB, all type of vehicle, generator set, Mahindra dumper, or a small type of vehicle, Maruti Ambassador, Toyota Innova. That's all type of vehicle are. I am being repair. I am being repaired of all this vehicle, all this type of vehicle.
See, Rupesh, actually, for general people, for people like us, Indian Army is the army which protects us. Whatever your profile there, when I'm speaking to you, you are just an army person for me, keeping beside your profile and everything. So I am more than happy. This is the first time that I am speaking to an army person. It's not about that you are going in the field, or you are doing some back-end task, but you are in the army. This is something, a very reputed thing.
Yes, madam.
See, once I am telling you a story. When I was in my school, so one of my neighbor joined Indian Army. So I think there is some department, or I don't know what that called. That is Rajrif. I don't know what is that.
No,
Rajrif. I don't know. Yes. So he make us learn a slogan. I'm telling you. See, that was so important that today also I know that he.
I think I taken rifle slogan is I forgot. I know.
I'm telling you. He what he learned us. He taught us. Sorry, he taught us. राजरिफ के वीर हम काल के भी काल हैं, कूदते हैं युद्ध में तो करते भूमि लाल हैं. So I still remember that phrase. I still remember that slogan. So when it comes to army, that is very reputed thing. See, a soldier and a farmer is the person who protect us, who feed us.
Yes, ma'am. I'm again telling you one incident which happened in my life. Before here coming, I posted in Leh.
Okay.
You know Leh Ladakh?
Leh Ladakh. I have heard about that. Yes.
Where is my posting?
Mhm.
Near my posting, there was situated army unit, 6
Okay.
Rajputana rifle.
Okay.
I met most of the Haryanvi people. They told me speak with me their language, Haryanvi language. That time very funny moment happened in my life
And what was that?
because I am belonging my father-in-law or father-in-law belonging from Rajasthan or Haryana because I am belonging from Haryana or Rajasthan.
Okay, so you can speak Marathi, you can speak Haryanvi, and you can speak Hindi also.
No.
Then?
I am speaking only Marathi, Hindi, or English. My father.
Acha, okay.
Grandfather.
Grandfather. Okay.
Are
Okay.
belonging from then they move Haryana to Maharashtra.
Okay. Okay.
My surname is Rathod. There's some of the people surname is Rathod. They ask me, "Are you Haryanvi?" No, I am Indian. I am Maharashtrian.
Maharashtrian, yes.
They confuse. Rathod is available in Haryana or Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
How you get there? How go there? I'm telling. So what happened?
Okay, so you told all the story to them, huh?
My grandfather lives in Rajasthan. Then they went Maharashtra. My father born there. Then I am born there. And then the process, the cycle start in our life.
Yes. For earning or for any other reason, people transfer to many other places. So it's like that only. So in your unit, people will be from different states.
Yeah, here is different state person available here with me. Some of the Punjabi, some of the Kerala, Rajasthan, and Andhra Pradesh.
Yes. So do you face any difficulty in speaking to South Indian person like Kerala? They mostly speak English. Andhra people, they also speak their local language or English.
No. They used to speak in Hindi because they have been serving since 34 years, some 30 years, some 20 years. They habitual speaking in Hindi. That's why no facing problem to speak in Hindi with that out of South Indian person.
See, whenever we start doing job or doing like living with the people of different states, somehow we also start learning their language.
Yes. Before joining Indian Army, I have know about Hindi or Marathi. I have about two language knowledge. When I entered in, I got select in army. That I started understanding a few language. I knew I have some knowledge about Kerala's language, Andhra Pradesh language, Punjabi language. I can speak few little words in that language.
That's very good. But you are speaking English very well. So
Okay.
when did you start speaking English? After that incident which you told me.
Near about near about 3 or 4 months happened.
That's very good.
I know about before I don't know how to speak. I read English in SSC when I was studying in SSC 10th class in ITI. That time not properly learn English. But means English language is very difficult language for any other person who lives in India. That's why ignore language, ignore language. I have to pass only exam. That's why I want 35 marks pass in English language. I'm studying for 35 number. No more. I don't want English language.
That's good. Okay, but look, this time you are finding English very much important in your life, right?
Now
See,
I understood.
That's very much necessary.
Language is important in our life.
Yes, like you have just started your career. It's almost 5 to 6 years, right?
Yes, madam.
है ना? So you have just started your career, and for promotion and for growth, I think you need to be fluent in English, because when we reach at a higher level or at senior level, I think for that
Yes,
we
ma'am.
need English.
Again, this incident happened in my life. Again, I have to prepare in my departmental entrance exam, which exams medium is English for promotion, next promotion. That's
Okay.
why I'm preparing an English language for promote of my to take a promote.
See, Rupesh, English is very much easy. You have just started speaking English back 4 or 5 months, right? And you are speaking very
Yes,
well. You just need to practice a lot. Whenever you get time, you just like you send a mail to me. You can speak to any other person also. There are so many YouTubers who practice over internet. So this is the only way that you will be fluent in English. Whenever you get time, whenever I'll get time, you can speak to me any other day. You can speak to me in every 15 days. There is no issue. I will be more than glad. So it's very good. Keep practicing.
okay, madam. Thanks to meet you, madam. When
Yeah.
I will meet you again, that time I will show you my premises area. Here is very cloudy weather. No more any high temperature. Here
Huh.
is average temperature is 25 to 30 degree.
Okay, that's so nice.
Very
So
cloud and
nice.
very funny weather here
Huh.
present.
That's very great. That's very great.
So
So
many.
very nice. So
Okay.
anything else, Rupesh, you want to ask me, or we should call it for the day?
No, madam. Thanks to speak with me. I'm very happy after speaking with you, because I am built up my confidence. Before we speak you, I am hesitating, and my heartbeat is just like you know what happened. Just like I am facing a interview. Now I
Nahi,
am
nahi,
feeling
nahi.
very good.
No, you are doing very well, and with practice you will be speaking well.
Yes, madam.
Don't bother about hesitation and all. I don't know you.
Okay,
You
madam.
don't know me. After this meeting, my Zoom meeting is going to close. You will also close your Zoom meeting. So we don't know each other. But when it comes
Okay,
to
madam.
practice, we know each other, because we both are learner of English.
Yes, madam. Yes.
So, okay, Rupesh, it's very nice meeting you. It's very nice talking to you. And if I'll get chance, I'll definitely get connect to you. And
Yes,
thank
madam.
you so much. And I salute you. You are a Indian
Okay.
Army person. It's a very pleasure to talk to you. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Okay, madam. Bye. Good night.
Bye.
Okay.